They don't tell you this in school, but the first time plastic showed up, it looked like magic that shouldn't exist. London, 1862. The city breathes coal smoke and rain. Carriage wheels hiss on wet stone. Inside the great glass and iron halls of the International Exhibition, the air is warm with human heat and ambition. Thousands of people moving like a single restless creature, hungry for the next wonder. And then there's a table. Not loud. Not glowing. Just wrong in a way you can't name yet. Alexander Parks stands behind it, hands steady, eyes bright with the kind of confidence that comes from surviving failure. He doesn't sell a story with fireworks. He lets the object speak. He lifts something that looks like ivory, smooth, pale, too perfect. Someone leans in, expecting bone, expecting tusk, expecting something torn from an animal. But Parks smiles, and the smile is a little dangerous. This, he might as well be saying, didn't come from the earth. It came from an idea. Parkesine, a substance born from cellulose, plant fibers, mixed and coaxed into a new form. Not carved, not mined, not grown, made. The crowd presses closer, fingers hover, then touch. It's warm from the lights. It doesn't feel like wood. It doesn't feel like horn. It feels like a future you can hold. And that's exactly what unsettles them. Because if you can manufacture something that imitates nature, what else can you replace? Parks demonstrates it like a stage magician who refuses to wink. He shows how it can be shaped, tinted, molded, transformed into combs, handles, buttons, ornaments. Everyday things. The kind of objects you stop noticing until the material itself becomes the story. And here's the twist that snaps the room into silence. This isn't just a new material. It's a new rule. For centuries, the world has been limited by what nature provides. Metal from ore, cloth from plants, tools from bone and wood. But Parkesine whispers a different promise. We can invent matter to fit our desires. The excitement blooms fast, too fast. Investors imagine factories. Merchants imagine cheaper goods, a world where scarcity loosens its grip. But Parks knows the cost of wonder. The material is tricky. It can crack. It can warp. Scaling it is brutal. The future doesn't arrive smoothly. It fights back. It demands patience, chemistry, money, time. Still, in that rainy London hall, something irreversible happens. Humanity doesn't just discover a new substance. It discovers the power to remake the ordinary. And once you learn that you can manufacture the world, you never look at a simple object the same way again. If this story gave you that shiver, the moment history quietly turns, help the channel grow. Like, share, subscribe, and comment what everyday material you think changed humanity the most.